Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you a simple trick to add the calculator app in your QS Lite apps. For those who don't know, QS Lite is a set of applications in LG phones where you can use them as a floating pop-up. You see, these applications are called QS Lite. For the weird reason, LG V20 doesn't come with the calculator application by default. As you can see, the calculator application now works perfectly on my V20. I can change the opacity, the position, and everything if I want. It will be coming handy when you are multitasking. So, for the weirdest reasons on the earth, LG V20 comes with a Google calculator instead of its own calculator. LG has its own proprietary calculator application for the many years on its other phones. So all you have to do is go to apps and disable Google Calculator with all its updates and its glory, and install LG Calculator from the link in the description, and voila, this app will be automatically added to QS Lite apps and you can multitask. Alright, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you like my content, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Over and out.